Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to show you how to make bacon pancake dippers. The ingredients we're going to need today are syrup, pancake mix, and I have turkey bacon. You can use the bacon of your choice. Okay guys, the first thing I'm going to do is heat my frying pan up, and I'm just going to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. Then we're going to let it heat up and we'll put our bacon in. Okay guys, once our bacon is done, we're just going to go ahead and remove it from the pan. Okay guys, now all you do is mix your pancake mix according to the box. Now I'm going to take the pancake mix and I'm going to put it into this squeeze bottle. Okay guys, we're going to come back over to our pan. We're going to spray it with some non-stick cooking spray. We're going to let it heat up. Then we're going to pour our pancake batter in. Okay guys, here we go. And all you're going to do is put your piece of bacon on. And we're going to go back over top like this. Okay, we're going to get ready to flip them in a little while. Okay, this is what they look like flipped over, and they're almost done. Okay guys, so here we have it, our bacon pancake dippers, and I have some syrup in the bowl to the side. So this is a great, quick and easy breakfast for the kids before they go to school. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.